morning, Jettie Rockers. Welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing. Well, we're offshore this morning. We're about 10 miles offshore. We're on a local artificial reef. We're in 70 feet of water, and we'll see how it goes. We didn't get to go where we wanted to this morning. There was a big research vessel there doing a lot of trapping to see fish stocks for the red snapper and grouper. So we left that area, came out here, and we'll see how it goes. Wish us luck, guys. I got Amber with us and Summer. Hopefully we'll get something. Summer's got some, guys. First fish. Let's see what she's got here. She just dropped down. What is this, Summer? A porgy. Get him in. That's a keeper. Nice. First keeper fish of the day. That is awesome. Nice porgy, Summer. Got him. Cool. Here, guys. Here's Summer's porgy. Nice little porgy. Good way to start the day. Awesome. Good job, kiddo. Remora. Nah, we'll let him go. Remora. There we go. Cool little fish. Hooked up, y'all. I'm hoping it's another porgy. Looking kind of porgy-ish. Looking kind of red snapper-ish. Doggone it. Alright. Little dinky red snapper. Yep. Looks like a decent fish. That's got to be a porgy. Or a red snapper. Doggone it. Another red one. Oh, it was hooked up. This fish. Oh, what you got, baby girl? What a Summer got, guys. Pulling on you. Come on, baby girl. Another red one. Is it? Another red one? Or is it a lane? A bigger one. It's a decent sized one, Summer. You got hit on the way up. Something hit him. Nice little red snapper. Something little. I got a grunt. You got something a little bit bigger than a grunt, I think, Summer. You got a grunt.
Do you need the grunt?
Yeah, we'll throw him in the live well. Let's open the live well up. What you got, Summer? You got it, babe? Summer got a red one. Summer got a red snapper. Red snapper. There you go.
No.
Well, probably a red snapper then. Never know what it is.
I pulled it out of wherever it was, and then it, yeah, it's probably a red snapper.
Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's a black sea bass.
Oh.
Little one. Look at all those remoras right
Is
there.
that why I was trying to pull you in the rocks?
Yeah, he was got you in the rocks. Pretty one though.
Oh, look at him.
Okay, this one chasing. Here's another one. He was just everywhere. Cool little fish though. Check out all these remoras. Summer's playing with it. Pull it up a little bit higher so I can see them better. Look at that thing. Here's another one. Just another one right there.
On it.
Crazy. So many of these things. Pull it up higher.
There's a shrimp on it.
There you go. That's a big one right there. It's not get it. Big old remora. Come on, get him up, babe. That's a nice fish. That might be a big trigger, might be a big porgy, remora. All right. Get him up, baby. Oop. It's a good fish, man. I don't think that's a red snapper. They're actually kind of different. It's a big fish.
Oh, someone's chasing it. There are more chasing it. Get it.
Where is it, babe? Oh, it's a trigger.
Get in.
It's a trigger.
Is it legal?
No, you ain't legal. It's a cool little trigger, though.
Make sure the trigger gets away, but the remoras are trying to eat it.
They won't eat it. Nice little trigger. Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, we're out here this morning. Summer and I just went and stopped off at an island. We took 3 casts and we loaded the bait well full of nice size, perfect size mullet. So Summer and I, we're gonna go out offshore. We're gonna head down to a local reef that's just off the beach. We're gonna see if we can't catch some flounder, guys. That's the main goal today. See if we can do some flounder fishing. We may come back in and hit the jetties for some redfish and look for some legal size mangoes. May come in the river after and look for some good keeper mangs in the river. So stay tuned, guys. Wish us luck, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, we're coming up to our little pool that's back here in the back here on low tide, and I already see some mullet. There we go. See how we do here. Ah, I got him. Yes, I did. I nailed him. First cast. That's how you do it. Look at that. That's a net load of mullet right there. All right, baby girl. Do your thing. That's a bunch of them. Pick them up. That'll almost do us, to be honest with you. Get them all up, baby girl. That's a lot of nice mullet. I'm gonna go look for some flounder today. Bless you. Maybe some mangoes. These are perfect baits. Perfect. More. I got some of them. I got some of them. That might do it, guys. That might do it. That might do it. Here we go, baby. Those are good ones. A little bit bigger ones. Yeah, I like those little bit bigger ones. Those are nice. Awesome. Those are perfect flounder size. Popped them again. Yep. All right, that's it. We are done. 3 casts and done. That is it. That'll last us all day. Alrighty. That's it, guys. That's about the quickest bait session that I've ever had. 3 and done. Well, guys, our plans got changed. We tried to head out the inlet, a little bit too rough. Waves are pretty big in the inlet right now, and it's outgoing tide, and have a little bit of a northeast wind. So we're not going to head offshore today. We're going to stick in the river. And right now we're going to go hit some residential docks up here in New Smyrna Beach. We'll see if we can't catch some nice keeper mangoes. And we might even mess up and catch a flounder. You never know. We'll see how we do now, guys. All right, guys. We've moved around a bunch trying to find a spot where the mangoes are biting. So we came here. We've been here about maybe 5 minutes, and we actually just caught a nice 10-incher, but I let him go. So we'll see if we can't get him to turn on here and start putting some in the box. Hooked up, got one. Feels like a decent man. Feels like a good man. That's a good one. That is a good one. All right. Summer's life jacket everywhere. There's a solid one right there, guys. Awesome. They got such pretty colors back up in here. That's an 11-inch mang. That is awesome. Beautiful fish. All right, there's one in the box. Sweet. Hey Jettie Rockers, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just 2 days, we really didn't do much. I mean, the one day we went offshore, caught a whole bunch of little fish, nothing really exciting. And then the other day we went out, Summer and I went out looking for some mangoes. It was extremely low tide all day long. Caught bait real quick, real easy. As it always goes to me, when I catch the bait real easy, usually the fishing isn't that good for me. If I have a hard time catching bait, usually the fishing's outstanding. But that's just the way it goes, guys. You know, went out, got the one mango. Actually caught another one, but I didn't get it on film. It was a 10-incher and I let it go. But it was a good day, a good couple of days. You know, I made a little interesting video and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I want to thank each and every one of y'all for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and hitting the thumbs up and the bell icon. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys very much. Until I get to see you guys on the water here soon, y'all. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.
Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.